Introducing the new Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II tuned by Spofec. The German tuner added a wide body kit called Overdose and increased the power of the engine. The sweeping fender flares add 12 centimeters to the width of the Cullinan Series II compared to the production car. They create space for custom-made 24-inch Spofec wheels, which were developed in cooperation with the American premium manufacturer Vossen. The ride height of the Rolls-Royce can be lowered by about 35 millimeters, with a special suspension kit tailored to these king-sized rims. Spofec also boosts the strength of the twin-turbo V12 engine even further. A performance increase to an output of 707 horsepower and a peak torque of 1,060 Newton-meters is available for the top-of-the-range black badge model shown here. That's an increase of over 107 horsepower and 160 Newton-meters of torque compared to the stock version. As a result, the exquisite SUV completes the sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.6 seconds. Spofec stainless exhaust systems, either with or without electronic sound management, give the 12-cylinder a sportier exhaust note. Guys, if you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.